I hang my guitars in my office rather than a tour bus or a rehearsal hall, so I didn't need a big row of stacked up amps, but I did want something that sounded good and had some flexibility. And Fender's G-DEC 3 has that and more covered. You can see by the left side of the control panel that we're not overrun with controls here. On the right side we find an SD slot for bringing in tunes, we got a headphone jack and a USB port that was really the secret behind this whole amp. That USB port and the software they give you with this amp lets you be really creative. The line-out jacks on the back can feed your PA system, so technically you could play this amplifier in an auditorium or stadium. This center panel is what gives you control of all the computerized things inside of the computer, like the 100 different presets and a bunch of band tracks, a tuner, and a metronome. The tuner and metronome both work great, but we're not going to burn up time showing you them. When I first got my G-DEC, I sat around doing this a lot, hitting a chord, letting that ring, and then cycling through some of the presets, sitting there going, holy cow, a lot. You could carry this amp into a country bar and nobody'd say a word. Then you could grunge them up a little bit. And when you get tired of playing with yourself, you can dial up one of the bands they have inside the box and bring them up and jam along with them. And you can adjust how loud this band plays so you can let yourself shine. And you can record your own licks and save them so you can play along with yourself. The Hal Leonard books that are made for the G-DEC also come with an SD card that has these tracks on it to support the songs in the book. You can also connect this amplifier directly to your computer and use the Fuse software that they supply with it. When you open the Fuse software, it'll automatically sync itself with the amplifier if you already have that on. The screen will then show you everything about the preset that you currently have the amp set to. And as you cycle through the presets, it shows you exactly what it takes to make each one of those. And you can adjust everything about those presets to tweak them to the way you want and then save them. You can add a full array of stomp boxes and other effects that are already built into the computer. Click on any of the components and it brings them up so you can make any adjustments to those that you want. And each of the components has a list of different types of that component that you can choose from and then make all the adjustments you want to those. If you know what you're looking for, I don't think there's a sound out there that you can't match with this. You can build your own presets by starting with whatever kind of amplifier you want and then adding on the stomp boxes and effects that you want. Between the G-DEC 3 amplifier and the Fuse software, the only thing holding you back is you.